Hello lovelies, welcome to Just Noble Craft. Today I'll be showing you how to make this beaded choker necklace. Before we start, I want to encourage you with the word Deuteronomy 8 verse 18. But remember the Lord your God, for it is he who gives you the ability to produce wealth, and so confirms his covenant which he swore to your ancestors as it is today. Praise the Lord. Going forward, we will need a size 4 crystal, a size 8 pearl, our fishing line 0.3, our hook, and either scissors or plier, as you can see. So you cut the thread according to the length you want and place the hook inside, like as you can see in the video. Then you tie it like 2 or 3 times. Then we take our size 4 crystal of any color you want. I want it to be white and or watercolor and silver. So we're first of all going to put 4 size 4 crystals into one side of the fishing line. As you can see, 4, 1 2 3 4. Then at the other side of the fishing line, you take one pearl and fix it this way. Then we use one size 4 crystal to cross it, like cross the fishing line. As you can see, so then on my right hand, or first of all your left hand side, yes, left hand side, you put one pearl there, just as if we are going zigzag, something like that. Then the other end of the fishing line, you put another 4 size 4 crystal. Then use one, and look at it, then use one to cross over, to cross it rather. Then this is what we'll continue doing till you get your desired length. For a tiny neck, I advise you use 14 inches or 15 inches depending, but for someone that is plumpy, should be 17 18 if you don't know the person's choker length, neck length. So I'll continue like this because I'm doing it for a small neck, so I'm going to make it 15 inches long. So just keep watching the video. So this point, my fishing line finished, so I had to tie and turn it over. You understand? Tie it over so that it doesn't lose. So if you want to put another thread, this is what you do. You pass it through the pearl first of all. Then the one that you used to cross over, you pass it through that particular point. I don't know if you get. Then you go back to the other 4 size 4 crystals and bring it back to this pearl. Like you keep coming up to this pearl that you used to cross over, and you have to cross it there too. You understand? You cross it and continue what you're doing, continue your beading. I don't know if you get it, but you should. If you're doing it, you understand what I'm saying. Then you continue how you were putting your pearl. Like look at it now, how you put your pearl, how you put your 4 size 4 crystals, and continue beading that way. So this is how to take your measurements with your measuring tape. It's 14, so I want it to get to 15. So when you've gotten your desired length of necklace of choker, this is how you pass your thread. You pass it all the way back into all the crystals, then come back to the pearl, like come up again to the pearl, and tie it very well, like tie it 2 to 3 times, very tight. Then you take the other side of the hook, the necklace hook, and attach your tie it to it, attach your fishing line to it and tie it 3 to 4 times, because we are no more using stopper to make beads. So you tie it and pass it back through the beads, the necklace, like tighten it very well and make sure you pass it through to the last. So you see how long this fishing line is, so that it is very secure. There won't be anything like my beads fell off, nothing like that. So this is what we have. You pass your fishing line through the beads, through the necklace rather. So guys, if you want to make the earring, you just follow this exact method and make it to the length you want. So also is the bangle. So guys, please, I would like you to subscribe to get more notifications like this. Like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.